സ്വാഗതം. ഇന്ന് കേരള PSC ജൂലൈയിൽ നടത്തുന്ന അഗ്രികൾച്ചർ ഓഫീസർ പരീക്ഷയുടെ സിലബസിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള വീഡിയോയാണ് ചെയ്യുന്നത്. ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്നവരാണെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ കൂടുതൽ പേരിലെത്തിക്കാനായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലപ്പെട്ട നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. Detailed syllabus for the post of Agriculture Officer in Agricultural Development and Farmers Welfare Department. Category number 506/2024. Total mark 100. Part 1 Crop Production. Module 1 Agronomy 10 mark. Agronomy scope, seeds and soil, tillage and tilth, crop density and geometry, classification of crops, agronomic, botanical, ontogenic, growth and development of crops, factors affecting growth and development, crop rotation and its principles, adaptation and distribution of crops, crop nutrition, essential nutrients, criteria of essentiality, classification, functions and deficiencies, manners and fertilizers, nutrient use efficiency, fertilizer calculation, specialty fertilizers, 100% water soluble, fortified, customized slow release fertilizers, nutrification inhibitors, biological nitrogen fixation, biofertilizers, weeds, importance classification, invasive weeds of Kerala, crop weed competition, allelopathy, concepts of weed management, principles and methods, herbicides, classification, selectivity and resistance, allelopathy, herbicide calculations, calibration of sprayers and spraying, specifications for herbicides, integrated weed management in rice, banana, coconut, agriculture scope, importance of agriculture and agricultural resources available in India, farming system components, cropping system and pattern, multiple cropping system, sustainable agriculture problems and its impact on agriculture, indicators of sustainability, adaptation and mitigation, conservation, agriculture strategies, HEIA, LEIA and LEISA, ecological principle of LEISA, homestead farming system, economic importance, soil and climatic manurial schedule, cultural practices and yield of major field crops of Kerala, wire rice, tuber crops, cassava, sweet potato, yams and arrowroot, sugarcane, pulses, groundnut, sesame and fodder crops via Giria and hybrid Napier irrigation, water management of principal crops of Kerala, water resources and irrigation development in India and Kerala, soil moisture constants, evapotranspiration, potential evapotranspiration and consumptive use, reference crop evapotranspiration, ETO, crop coefficient, Kc values for different crops, main empirical methods of calculation of ETO, effective rainfall, water requirement of crops, scheduling irrigation, methods of irrigation, surface, subsurface, overhead and micro irrigations, irrigation efficiency, water productivity and water use efficiency, agricultural drainage causes of waterlogging and types of drainage, quality of irrigation water, agroecology of Kerala, agroecological zones and agroecological units, monsoons in Kerala, cropping seasons of Kerala, rain-fed agriculture, dry farming, dryland farming, rain-fed farming, drought classification, drought adaptation, mechanism in crops, drought management in major crops of Kerala, watershed, types, characteristics and management. Module 2. Soil science and agricultural chemistry, 10 marks. Soil pedological and edapological concepts, weathering soil information, factors and processes, soil profile, soil physical properties, soil texture, soil consistency, soil crusting, bulk density and particle density of soils and porosity, their significance and manipulation, soil compaction, soil color, soils of India, geological process and formations, characterization of soils of Kerala, soil colloids, properties, nature, types and significance, layer silicate clays, their genesis and sources of charges, adsorption of ions, ion exchange, CEC and AEC, concept of pH, soil acidity, saline, sodic and calcareous soils, soil organic matter, composition, decomposability, humus, fractionation of organic matter, carbon cycle, CH2N ratio, soil biology, biomass, soil organism and their beneficial and harmful roles, soil fertility, evaluation, soil testing, rating of soil fertility, organic carbon, major, secondary and micronutrients, problem soils of Kerala, characteristics, problems and management, reclamation, salt affected soils, arid soils, acid soils, submerged soils, eroded soils, acid sulfate soils, degraded soils, organic farming and food security, tools and practices of organic farming, organic certification, accreditation agencies, certification agencies, NSOP, NPOP, precision agriculture, geoinformatics, GIS and remote sensing concepts, application in agriculture, global positioning system, GPS, components and its function, nanotechnology, definition, concepts and techniques, nanoparticles, nanopesticides, nanofertilizers, nanosensors. Part 2. Crop protection. Module 3. Agricultural entomology. 10 mark. Categories of pests of agriculture. Economic classification of insects. External morphology. Anatomy and general physiology, structure and function of digestive, circulatory, respiratory, excretory, reproductive, endocrine, exocrine nerve systems and sense organs, types of metamorphosis, integrated pest management, principles of IPM, concepts of economic threshold and economic injury levels, tools of IPM, basic concepts of host plant, resistance, biocontrol of pests, microbial controls, regulatory control, plant quarantine and phytosanitary certificate, pesticides, Insecticide Act and Rules, newer trends in insect pest management, pheromones, insect growth regulators, chitin synthesis inhibitors, biotechnological methods, distribution, bioecology, nature and symptoms of damage and management strategies of major insect pests of field crops, rice, wheat, maize, sorghum, ragi, sugarcane, cotton and oilseeds, groundnut, sesame, castor, sunflower and mustard, pulses, vegetable crops, solanaceous, cruciferous, leafy vegetables, polyhouse vegetables, tuber crops, fruit crops, plantation crops, ornamental, medicinal, and aromatic plants, and stored product pests, economically important insects, silkworms, lark insects, pollinators, predators, parasites, weed killers, soil builders, scavengers, and insects used for scientific investigation, damage in major crops and management of nematodes, mites, rodents, birds, mollusks, snail. Module 4 Plant Pathology. 10 mark. Importance of plant diseases. Important plant pathogenic organism. Fungi, bacteria, fastidious vascular bacteria, virus, viroids, phytoplasma, spiroplasma, alga, protozoa, nematodes, phanerogamic parasites, diseases due to biotic causes factors affecting disease development, disease triangle and tetrahedron, fungi, bacteria, viruses and molecules, morphology, classification, reproduction, transmission, dispersal and survival, categories of diseases, IDM, epidemiology, factors affecting disease development, principles and methods of plant disease management, symptoms, etiology, disease cycle and management of diseases of rice, wheat, sugarcane, groundnut, pulses, vegetables, tubers, citrus, mango, banana, grapevine, pineapple, papaya, guava, sapota, cashew, apple, coconut, arganut, coca, black pepper, ginger, cardamom, tree spices, oil palm, battlewind, coffee, tea, rubber and ornamentals. Methods of control, host plant resistance, cultural, mechanical, physical, legislative, biological and chemical control. Survey, surveillance and forecasting of diseases, development and validation of IDM module, IDM programs in cereals, vegetables, pulses, tuber crops, spices and plantation crops and ornamentals. Part 3 Crop Improvement. Module 5 Plant Breeding and Genetics. 10 mark. Heredity, Mendelian principles of heredity, cell division, mutation, classification, methods of inducing mutation and CIB technique, mutagenic agents and induction of mutation, qualitative, quantitative traits, polygenes and continuous variation, multiple factor hypothesis, domestication, acclimatization, multi-line concept, Hardy, Weinberg law, genetic basis and methods of breeding, cross-pollinated crops, modes of selection, heterosis and inbreeding depression, development of inbred lines and hybrid, composite and synthetic varieties, major breeding objectives of our crop, improvement and procedures, including conventional and modern innovative approaches for development of hybrids and varieties for yield, adaptability, stability, abiotic and biotic stress tolerance and quality, seed production technology in self-pollinated, cross-pollinated and vegetatively propagated crops, hybrid seed production, technology in maize, rice, sorghum, pearl, millet and pigeonopea, etc. Ideotype concepts and climate resilient crop varieties for future, germplasm, methods of conservation and utilization in crop improvement, micropropagation, organogenesis and embryogenesis, different stages of micropropagation, commercial micropropagation, quality assurance of tissue, culture plants, plant tissue, culture for crop improvement, intellectual property rights, meaning that WTO, TRIPS, WIPO, patents, copyrights, trademark, industrial design, geographical indication, integrated circuits, trade secrets, Patent Act 1970 and patent system in India. Module 6. Seed and seed technology. 10 mark. Seed certification, field inspection, foundation and certified seed production of important cereals, rice, wheat and maize, pulses, cowpea, mung, urd, pigeon pea, field bean and soya bean, oil seeds, sesame, coconut, sunflower, groundnut, fodder, guinea grass, napier grass and lucerne, and vegetables, bindi, tomato, brinjal, chilies and kurkur, bittaceous vegetables, Seed Act and Seed Act enforcement, Central Seed Committee, Central Seed Certification Board, State Seed Certification Agency, Central and State Seeds Testing Laboratories, Seeds Control Order 1983 and Seed Bill 2004, IPR Intellectual Property Rights, Part for Others. Module 4 Horticulture 10 marks. Horticulture area, production, productivity of horticultural crops in India and Kerala, branches of horticultural, major fruit crops, pomology, importance, nutritional value, production technologies, commercial orchards, gardens and plantations, selection of site for crops, climate, soil, socio-economic factors, techniques of training and pruning, problems of unfruitfulness, internal factors, external factors, plant growth regulators in horticulture, plant propagation techniques, definition and basic concepts, type structures, commercial propagation of horticultural crops, micro-propagation of horticultural plants, important seed and herbal classification, medicinal plants, different method of classification, active principles, aromatic plants, botany, varieties, production technology, active principles and uses, plantation crops of Kerala, commercially cultivated varieties, production technologies, improved propagation methods, ornamental and flowering plants, floriculture, cultivation of commercial, ornamental and flower crops, gardening and landscaping scope and methods, post-harvest management of major horticultural crops of Kerala. Module 8. Oleric culture. 10 mark. Importance and scope of vegetable crops in India, with special reference to Kerala production and management of warm season and cool vegetables of Kerala, types of vegetable farming, systems of vegetable cultivation, traditional and specialized systems, factors affecting vegetable production, basic principles in vegetable production, nursery, sowing and transplanting care and management, plant protection, special precautions in vegetables, seed production in cool season vegetables, post-harvest handling, losses, causes and measures to reduce losses, packing and transport, marketing of vegetables. Module 9. Agricultural economics, 10 marks. Agricultural economics, basic concepts, goods and services, desire, want, demand, utility, cost and price, wealth, tax, capital, income and welfare. Theories: utility theory, law of diminishing marginal utility, EQ marginal utility principle, agricultural marketing, concepts and definitions of marketing, agricultural marketing, market structure, marketing mix and market segmentation, classification and characteristics of agricultural markets, demand, supply and produces surplus of agri-commodities, nature and determinants of demand and supply of farm products, produces surplus. Module 10. Agriculture extension, 10 marks. Extension, education, extension, programming, planning, meaning, process, principle and steps in program development, extension systems in India, various extension, agriculture development programs launched by ICAR, Government of India, IADP, IAAP, HYVP, RKVK, IVLP, ORP, ND, NATP, NAIP, etc. New trends in agricultural extension, various rural development programs launched by Government of India, community development, rural leadership, concepts and definition, types of leaders in rural context, extension administration, extension teaching methods, sociology and rural sociology, management in extension, participatory approaches, entrepreneurship in agriculture, communication and transfer of technology in agriculture. ഇന്നത്തെ വീഡിയോയുടെ അവസാനിക്കുന്നു. ഇന്ന് അഗ്രികൾച്ചർ ഓഫീസർ കേരള PSC ജൂലൈ നടത്തുന്ന അഗ്രികൾച്ചർ ഓഫീസർ പരീക്ഷയുടെ വിശദമായ സിലബസിനെ കുറിച്ചുള്ള വീഡിയോയാണ് ചെയ്തത്. ചാനൽ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ചാനൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ ഇഷ്ടപ്പെട്ടാൽ ലൈക്ക് ചെയ്യുക. ചാനൽ ആദ്യമായി കാണുന്നവരാണെങ്കിൽ ചാനൽ മറക്കാതെ സബ്സ്ക്രൈബ് ചെയ്യുക. വീഡിയോ കൂടുതൽ പേരിലെത്തിക്കാനായി ഷെയർ ചെയ്യുക. നിങ്ങളുടെ വിലപ്പെട്ട നിർദ്ദേശങ്ങൾ കമന്റ് ബോക്സിൽ രേഖപ്പെടുത്തുക. എല്ലാവർക്കും നന്ദി.